There are only a few months left till Apple's much-awaited hardware event in September 2023. When Apple comes to its most coveted future product, the very premium iPhone 15 Ultra, very little is left to the imagination. Given the number of software and hardware news and announcements to ponder in the next weeks, WWDC 23 undoubtedly offered us much to talk about, but Apple's core business remains software. Definitely still includes the iPhone range. One of the most anticipated items to be unveiled in 2023 is it. The biggest and most technologically sophisticated next iPhone may be dubbed the iPhone 15 Ultra, despite the fact that practically everything about it seems to be known already. It makes more sense to believe that Apple would stick with its current naming strategy and instead offer us an iPhone 15 Pro Max, regardless of its moniker. The next generation iPhone is unquestionably shaping up to be a beast. While it may be easy to believe that the iPhone 15 series would be priced similarly to the iPhone 14 in general, some reliable rumors suggest that Apple may charge up to $100 extra for both the iPhone 15 Pro Max and the iPhone 15 Pro. Various storage variations might. The iPhone Pro Max lineup starting price of $1,099 is the first significant price adjustment. The 6.1-inch iPhone Pro and 6.7-inch iPhone Pro Max models previously largely shared the same camera setup with the same hardware-software features and delivered comparable image quality. However, this may change with the iPhone 15 series. The iPhone 15 Pro Max is shaping up to be the one true flagship in terms of Apple's camera attack. According to recent rumors, only the iPhone 15 Pro Max will include a periscope camera, which will likely give an optical zoom of up to 5 or 6 times, an improvement above the 3x optical zoom cameras seen on the iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max. Additionally, there are rumors suggesting that a telephoto camera with lossless optical zoom may be employed. Although the LG iNewTek camera module was shown months ago, no phone has yet to use it. Until far, we haven't heard any concrete rumors that demand a change in the iPhone 15 Ultra's native storage capacity. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.